This is a very common problem with Outlook. Sometimes your data file can get corrupted and hence you cannot open your Outlook data file. So I'll show you how you can easily fix this on any Windows computer with any of the versions of Outlook. And if yours is a PST file, meaning all your emails are kept on your computer, not on the server, then you must repair. If it is a OST file, you don't really need to worry. That is IMAP, all the mail is saved on the cloud. You'll need to open a program called ScanPST, which is part of Microsoft Office. You can either go to it manually, as I'm doing now. Now the folder structure may slightly be different, so you'll need to go to Program Files or Program Files x86. Most of the time x86 if you got the 32-bit. You need to go to the correct Outlook version, Office version. In this case it's 2007, so that's Office 12, and there is a program there, ScanPST. And if you can't find it that way, you can manually search for it. So just go to My Computer or C Drive section and type the word ScanPST and just let it search and it will come up. There is a little program, so open it. You need to point it to your data file. So look at the error message you had. You can see where the file it's pointing to you at is. So you need to go to that same exact directory and find the Outlook data file that is corrupted, and then select it and let it scan for errors, and it may pop up as error message saying yes, errors have been found, would you like to repair? You say yes, and it will also make a backup just in case the repair fails. So now I'm just pointing it to the right location where the file is. Now, depending on your data file, it may be very quick. If the size is small, if the size is very large, unfortunately, you have to wait much more time. So this one actually took about half an hour. When the error check finishes, it will pop up a window with the number of items found and any errors were found or not. There we go. And make sure you let it tick the checkbox where it will make a backup first before attempting repairs, and just press the start button. Hopefully it will repair the data file and you'll get access back to your emails. Here we go. And when the repair is complete, you'll get a button with an OK, confirming the repair is successful. Now you can close the error message and open up Outlook, and voila, everything will be back to normal. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this helped you get back access to all your emails. See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.